Welcome back to Snail Quiz. Hink, you know your favorite brands just by sound? Let's find out and guess the logo sound. Turn your volume up and let's test your ears. Crispy, crunchy, cluck, cluck. Guess that delicious sound now. Fault. Finger licking, obvious. That was the crunch of KFC. Fizz, pop, kaboom. That's not a firework. Guess it. Oh. Wake up your taste buds. That's Mountain Dew.
That jump sounded like coins collecting. Super Mario power-up mode.
Something's sizzling, but it ain't your mixtape. Guess now. You smelled that, didn't you? Big bite from Burger King. Taste the rainbow. More like hear the rainbow. Fruity fun explosion. That colorful pop was Skittles. Snap! I just broke something. Wait, was that chocolate? Take a break, you genius. That was Kit Kat.
Have a break.
Sweet, like Sugar Rush in my ears. What brand is this? Lollipop dreams never lie. That was the swirl of Chupa Chups. Ping! Wait, is someone sliding into your DMs again? Blue bubble vibes, say it loud. That was Messenger. The fizz, the jingle. Iconic. Bet you know this one. Always classic, always bubbly, it's Coca-Cola. Classic, nostalgic, and slightly robotic. Guess this one. And nostalgia, that sound was Nokia. Dun dun. Oh no, I feel a binge session coming on. Sure with. Dream dreams do come true, it's Netflix. Whoa! That sound zoomed past me, super fast and fancy, yolt. Speed, power, and style. Yep, that was Ferrari. It's round, it's colorful, and it's dancing. Guess the sound. Choco explosion detected. Yep, that was M&M's. Crunch time. This sound got mustache energy. Guess who? A stack of flavor and fun, oh yeah, Pringles. How many sounds did you get right? Let us know below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome quizzes. This was Snail Quiz. See you in the next round.